Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Yeah, so a significant 24-hour change in our temperatures outside, and that's because of the dew point value, which has risen thanks to an easterly wind bringing in that surface moisture from the Atlantic. Plus, we have a little cloud cover out there, and the cloud covers also help to keep the nighttime temperatures from falling off too much. 65 the air temperature now. Remember, yesterday we were talking about temperatures in the, well, upper 40s in some instances, lower 40s. Becky in Old Myakka had a temperature that was in the lower 40s. Most of us had temperatures in the 50s, but this morning we're solidly in the 60s. 64 at Wauchula, 62 Arcadia, Myakka, Parrish and Bradenton in the 60s with 63 and 65. 65 in Sarasota, 63 Northport, and Venice coming in at 66 as well. So across the country, we've got a few hot spots. One, an area of low pressure will continue to drift eastward, dragging a cold front through the United States. By Thanksgiving, it'll be pretty close to the northeastern corridor, and that'll kick off a few lake effect snow showers. Some of that could be kind of heavy along the lake effect snow regions, but I think along the coastal areas of the major airport hubs, New York, Boston, D.C., I don't think they're going to have a real heavy snowfall. So it looks like those airport hubs will be okay. High pressure for us noses down to about the Florida border, where then an area of low pressure that over the weekend brought us some chillier temperatures yesterday starts to lift north as a warm front. Well, that kind of triggers off a shower or two this morning coming up at us from the south of the southern tip of the state of Florida. Plus, we have a little area of disturbed weather out in the Gulf, which will be advancing toward us, coming at us from Gulf waters. So kind of coming from two different directions, meeting up right over central Florida, producing some, at times, some moderate rainfall, especially north of us. But we get tagged today as well with about a 60% chance of those showers. And then back to the west, that frontal boundary will be approaching, bringing us better chances of rain as we get into Thanksgiving. So good chances of rain today, building cloud cover, and then we look for clearing taking place over the weekend. Futurecast shows the showers to the south that I just mentioned, showers out in the Gulf, kind of coming together over central Florida, and then another area of rain approaching from Gulf waters as we head into Thursday. Total amounts of rain, well, they probably won't be all that great, but we do have a risk of a thunderstorm or two, so watch for those lightning strikes if you're going to be out and about today. Rainfall futurecast through Wednesday shows that the bullseye for the heavier rain, excuse me, will be to the north of us, where they could see a couple of inches of rain in north central Florida. Southeast wind at 5 to 10 turning east, and the forecast for the week ahead is unsettled. 60% chance of showers today and on Thursday. Those are the two best rain chance days of the week. Then we clear out a little bit as we head into the weekend with more sunshine and some cool, clearer temperatures, some lower humidity temperatures. Back